Please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open a Players 1919 baseball cards 10th anniversary set. And let's see what kind of cards I'll find. I ordered it. I did open in 1980 a while ago. And it comes with these little stickers. They got sealed by tops, not have gum. Maybe the best thing to him. Didn't have not have any kind of gum. This is what they look like. Baseball cards. Got a first hit, I guess. Rookie guy. The cat. I think he's a Hall of Famer. So I think opening 26. Can't anymore. His brother's a Hall of Famer. His father did play baseball. Glenn Wilson. Right, I'm trying to get the Jose Uribe era card. If I did, I'll be yelling and screaming like a little girl. Most of these guys know this mostly with the A's. God, something's wrong with my eye. All weird and shit. Okay, pad borders. And it comes with more stickers. Actually, yeah. I guess on another sticker. Okay, Mitchell. Player, Boltard's team. That the year he had like 89, hit like 49 home runs for the Giants. Tommy Brigg. I thought it'd be a rookie card. I got much wrong. That's the first set. And I guess the only thing good came out of that was the Ken Mitchell's All-Star. Open the second package. So I think I'll open 22 packages for you folks. You lucky people, you. And this guy pitched a no hitter but lost the game. The Yankees made some of these errors. Back comes. More one card. Okay. That was enough. I don't recognize half these players. So let me know what kind of cards you guys collect. You get the Jose Uribe Air card that's worth like $19,000. Yeah, Kirk Gibson, 88 World Series. That home run off actually. Yeah, decent career. He played the Tigers, mostly the Tigers and Dodgers. Grace Bradfield, rookie. Yeah. Pretty close. This guy mostly was started as a catcher, second baseman, then with the outfield. Played most of his career with the Astros. Dave Harrison, remember with the Giants? That 1 year, but it feels like longer than that. Red Sox, Marlins. Edward King. Jack Armstrong. No. Larry Walker, look how young he is. This is rookie year. Guy, look a baby in this picture. Let's get a save. Yeah, it's Larry Walker, Hall of Famer right there. Little baby. There he goes. Ernest Miles. I don't know how many packs it take to get the Jose Uribe Air card. I didn't have the best luck. Got these stickers. Herman, there. Zach Smith. Yeah, K-Man. Alright, Joe Murray. There's Bryce, my Daybird. All-Star guy. Art Johnson. Tim, I remember he played a little bit with the Giants last year. Dave Wells hit a perfect game with the Yankees from San Diego, I think. I'm dropping cards. And Randy Bush again. And Barry Bonds. What year is it? Could have his card. Should be a Hall of Famer. My opinion. Once again, you know, my opinions don't mean anything in the baseball world. If it goes Hall of Fame or not. A lot of players that are in Hall of Fame that should be in Hall of Fame. There goes the stickers. Okay, Marty, what do Dear Giants? There you go, Mark Grace, decent player. Again, breaks. I always never forget a day when he swing that missed that ball and broke his head, made his shoulder. I remember this guy. It was like a leaf pitcher. Can't really see through this thing. If I remember correctly. I don't show the saves or anything on this thing. No, it does. Saves mostly a leaf. For the Angels. Mike Heath. Christmas. Bunch of rookies. I think Derek May. I may have his minor league cards. I could still collect minor league cards back in the 90s. Close. We got a bunch of this guy's cards. Yes, rookie year. And the last one they dropped in front of you guys. 22 packs goes. 22 packs. Alright. Yankee sticker. He used to be a pitching coach for the Giants. I'm not sure he's wearing batting gloves. Eric Gaffney. This guy was like a Boucher's player. Played one. Excuse me. Mary Mark. Checklist. Jeff King. Billy Swift. We played great with the Giants. Had 21 wins. Ozzie Smith, Hall of Famer. Next, no. Eric King. Alright. And you guys still. Morgan. Anniversary, Roger Clemens. Should be a Hall of Famer. This guy scored was one of the worst cards. This is his rookie year. Didn't really play that much. Dennis Lamb. I need a Hall of Famer. Great stats. Gary Sheffield. This is a rookie card. I think it's a rookie card. That guy is a rookie card for Tops yesterday. Mike Walt. Most. Hall of Famer, 20 Gwen. Bay died. And you got projects. Scott Herman. Never really see them in the last one. Drops. break then. Okay, next package. There you go. Oh. This will bought me a day. for the let's see, I paid the guy 2026 or something, or 36. Halfway Joe. Full star. Never really know much about this guy at all. A bit story about in the background. Got a call of Famer, so I'm happy with that. No Jim God. Let's see. Again, yeah, this guy's very controversial coach. Book is my anti-Cuban Castro. Did a good career. Next one. I like the no gum. I'm happy with that. Thank you, baseball. But these are like, you got the Brewers. You got the M and the B for Brewers. They'll never be seen again. No. Still blame for those a rebate. Give a good decent reliever. Hayes, the Giants got traded that year to the Phillies. A lot of people I never heard of. Yeah, Curry Puck and Bill Jackson. Curry Puck is a Hall of Famer. Everybody likes this guy, married the Hall of Famer or not, you know. He's a Hall of Famer in our hearts. And Wills. Alright, next package. Let's see what's next package. Of course, it comes with Padres. And I guess a little story. You know, Truffles is the most southern city in it's 3 Pulse. Houston Astros are. There you go. Hopefully get the whole thing, I can't say. Bunch of other players, rookie. Never heard these guys. Yeah. Rare. Kevin Rose. At least I got too many repeats. That's kind of happy about that. Sorry, these cards are just really want to fight me today. Just my wife can't be friends. Johnny Ray. That's a great name for an action hero or something. And the last one behind there. Dennis Cook. Cup sticker. There you go, Jeff King. First repeat, plays fifth. If I get a repeat, at least a Hall of Famer. I think it's like one of these stacks. I think it's like one of those stacks. Storm. Former Cy Young winner. And you guys, so killing man. I already know you guys. And more stickers. Ben Davis, Blvd. Blvd's look totally different in this picture. He's like 21 wins 1 year with the A's. It's like totally different in that picture. Yeah. Jeff Hudson. Mike Jackson. This guy mostly with the Giants. Decent starter for them. Yeah, I think he played 10 years for the Giants. Mike Greenwood. Yeah, I hope this guy. And last person, Mike Davis. A little backstory about this guy in the background. All right. Yeah, I'm a hospital, so I hear a lot of noise. That's coming from. Just talk. There you go. Chris. Jeffings. Yeah, he'll get a wholesale rebate today. Oh, the anniversary Hall of Famer. Oh, it's Nixon. Wholesale rebate there. He says he's born 59, but Willie Carlos says he's born 1960, but actually he should be 1959 or something. A Hall of Famer. Look about the bunt. And here's his career. He's built a great career. Great. So, bunch of teams still around. Sierra. Davis. I don't know. So yeah, Giants are in a great year. They're like all win 81 games. The Wade Blocks Hall of Famer. They're upset with him because he didn't retire with the Red Sox, but the Timberwolves instead. You just can't figure why everybody's upset with him. Oh, that's Nixon, Speed Racer. Big Daddy himself. This guy had high hopes about this guy. He didn't really did that much. It was really first draft. The high tens with him. Stoppers. Yeah, starting stoppers. Mostly knew with the 1986 Mets at one time. Billy. He always changes Billy or Billy sometimes. Joe Carter, Hall of Famer. Did play 1 year with the Giants near the end of his career. The anniversary of Player of the Decade. Rays. No Jose repeat cards. Gray Maddox. It was first years with the. Still with the but mostly known for the Braves. All right. Hopefully, still trying to get a miracle happen and get a Jose Uribe air card. Gold card. Ray Anderson. Did 1 year he hit like 50 home runs or something. This guy was a good third baseman for the A's. Tommy Green. Deion Sanders. Got Bush's cards now. Rookie year. Play football and baseball. Same time as Bill Jackson did it. But Bill Jackson was first. He's got to be flying till he's like 100 something. Will Clark and Ken Mitchell's Dynamite deal. Little story about the background. Will Thrill. I have bunches here. Rookie years cards. Rookie card Dave Cohn. Maybe the Mets sees up his fans have called Coneheads are fans of his. The Cougar. An action card, I guess. Or version of it. Next one. And you got yourself here's a 20. There you go. Yeah, damn. Never heard of this guy. Wally Joyner, he's called M. Stadium, Wally Land. Decent pitcher. Jimmy Keys, mostly know with the Blue Jays. Don't remember this guy at all. Next card package. Sticker for the Pirates. Jack Morris. Patterson. Well, he's be a first baseman coach for the Giants. Some card that dropped down. Karen Brown. He was decent for the Marlins. They were on Smokes. Yeah, cool guys earlier year. Super, Boston. Yeah, right. Kind of we're seeing where Iggy uniform late blogs. Dog right good and dog good, and this guy could have been Hall of Famer. I think they overworked him too. More cards that dropped. So I got 4 more packs for you guys. So yeah, please once again, leave a comment and stuff, and like will help me a lot. Hope I do better next time. But got the M's, Marlins. Joe Carter should be Hall of Fame. And the Indians, so long the Indians to next year to be the Gardens. And got like 1 Hall of Famer right there. Guy should be, I think, the Hall of Fame right there. R. Johnson may play third base, went to outfield later on in his career. Glenn, these were here. It was like when he field. The sticker. I lost the sticker. Oh well. Jack Armstrong is over here. Wilson. Barry Walker again, babyface. Hall of Famer. Cards. Checklist again. Alright, 2 more packages for you guys. Martinez. It's like a rookie card. Almost. Curse Hall should be a Hall of Famer. Delmer. Great Medics. Again, it's good to have Hall of Famer. Guys look old. Damn, he's playing like 71, 72 or something. And last one. So far, I got a bunch of Larry Rockers here, rookie year. Doug here. Joe. Kelly Garner. Rich. And the last one. Oh, last one. Very good. There you go. Right around. He's the manager for the A's now. He grew around my area near Howell, so it's against Seiko. Hall of Famer. Hall Pinker, Norman Ryan. So yeah, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'll do better next time. Hopefully, doubly. Have a good day.